If you had nothing, if everything was taken from you today and you had to start from scratch with no money, no contacts, how would you build back up to that position where you are more than financially free, you can live how you want to live?
So first of all, I would try and borrow 50k to get started. As we just mentioned on a previous question or answer, that I'd use 25k towards a deposit and I'd use 25k towards the refurb. I would then make 25k profit. But let's assume that I've spoke to everybody, I've been to networking events, I've spoke to friends and family, and I can't get anybody to lend me that 50,000. Don't get me wrong, even if I did get somebody to lend it me, I would have to give them a percentage of the profit. So that 25k might be, I might lose 5 grand of it to the investor. But let's just suppose we can't get an investor. So what I would do is I would do 2 things. I would go and find the deals and sell them on. Okay, but I'd make sure that they're damn good deals, yeah? Because you want a reputation, you don't want to be giving away a deal that's got 10 grand in it, okay?
Yeah.
So go and find the deals, stay in your permanent job, hopefully you've still got a job, stay in your job, so you've got your income that covers your bills, your expenses.
Makes you mortgageable as well.
Makes you mortgageable, and yeah, exactly, you can get finance then. If you haven't got a job, it's very difficult. And then nail that deal on, okay, and make small lump sums. So let's just say like 2, 3, 4, 5,000 pound, and keep repeating that until you've got the 50k. But I would say in parallel, buy and sell anything. Go on eBay, okay, buy it, find out what's trending, find out what's selling. What are people buying? Look at Google Trends and see what's being searched for, yeah. For example, at the moment, I can tell you that something as wacky as a Donald Trump or a Joe Biden little figure that talks, says various kind of quotes, people buy them, yeah? And, you can get them for £1 or $1 and you can sell them for 20, yeah? So all I'd say is buy something and then resell it on eBay or Marketplace or wherever, and just have a little side hustle, and add that as well. The more things you can do to build up because don't forget, you can't get any money from anywhere else. You've got no choice. So if you want it badly enough, you'll find a way. Yeah. So buy low and sell high. You're going to do exactly the same in property, but you're just going to do it with a commodity. Yeah. Buy a mobile phone case, for 50 pence and sell it for £5. Sell 100 of them, you just make £450. As an example. Okay. So that's what I would do. Build up your pot, and then when you've got enough money, get straight in there and buy your first property. Then you're off to the races. Then you've got 25 grand that you'll make typically, and then do another one, you've got 50 grand, then you've got 75, and before you know it, you've got a nice pot of money that then you're off onto your journey then. And that's what I would do, and then I would gradually build up my residual income that would then replace my just over broke income, my job. So that's what I'd do if I had to start all over again.
Yeah, buy and sell everything and anything.
Everything and anything, yeah.
Yeah, because you've got a lot of experience, not just in property, you've got a lot of experience in business, haven't you? So like the idea of buying and selling and setting up businesses and e-commerce, you've done incredible with that, like multi-million-pound companies. So you know what you're talking about when you're talking about start from small and scale it big. Yeah, absolutely. I've had everything from KFC restaurants to storm chasing companies in America to I set up a franchise in America where I was the franchisor. As Jack said, I've done e-commerce where I've built skincare brands from scratch to multi-million-dollar brands. So I do know a lot about the marketing and the sales as well. And literally, it is all about buying something at one price and selling it at a higher price. And it doesn't matter, it's a commodity at the end of the day. It doesn't matter if we're talking about as I mentioned, a mobile phone case or a property. It's the same theory. You've just got to find somebody. If there's an audience, that's why I said check Google Trends. Check what's in demand because you can sell it. Buy it low, sell it high, margin in the middle. You won't go far wrong.